Working hard to make people happy is our first priority. Sharing the praise when someone takes the time to appreciate our efforts is a luxury. Here's what one person had to say. When someone is this happy, it usually leads to a repeat visit with us. It's wonderful to receive positive online reviews like this one, and it motivates our team to serve you better. We work very hard to achieve great reviews like this. So whether you're somebody brand new or you've been through our doors before, we would like the chance to make you happy.